Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ chili sauce. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, like a saucepan and whisk. Next, combine your wet and dry ingredients in the pot. Then, simmer the sauce until it thickens to a beautiful consistency. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings to make it truly your own. It's a simple process for a delicious result. For this easy BBQ chili sauce, you'll need a few key items. Begin with a base of 1 cup of ketchup and 1/4 cup of tomato paste. For that essential chili kick, add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Balance the flavors with 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget fresh garlic and onion for depth. Now let's cook. Combine all your ingredients in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer, uncovered, for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This simmering time is crucial for the flavors to meld and for the sauce to thicken to a rich, perfect consistency. Once your sauce has simmered, it's time to finalize it. Taste and adjust the salt, sugar, or chili to your liking. If you prefer a smoother texture, an immersion blender works wonders. Let the sauce cool completely before transferring it to airtight jars. You can refrigerate this delicious BBQ chili sauce for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for up to 3 months for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.